Welcome to Fantastic Vision. Please subscribe us before you watch today's video. Human society has entered the information age, and high-tech products can be seen everywhere, ranging from remote controls to automobiles, which are almost inseparable from the development achievements of human industrial civilization. Many of these achievements are in the hands of foreign companies, which not only earn huge sales, but also monopolize the industry market. Amending the rules at will in the United States can affect the consumer market's access to technical support, so self-research has become a key target for breakthroughs. Among them, there is an urgent need for a breakthrough in the 5 top technologies. Once a breakthrough is made, it will not be afraid of any national monopoly. What are the 5 major technologies? First, lithography machine. Modern society is inseparable from the support of chips. Any smart terminal product needs to be equipped with chips, and lithography machines are an important tool for manufacturing chips. In the chip manufacturing process, the designed chip pattern needs to be engraved on the surface of the wafer, but even matured chips of 28 nanometers and 14 nanometers will integrate billions of transistors. How to expose more transistors in a limited unit area, so that each transistor is crisscrossed, or even scattered in hundreds of levels, requires a photolithography machine to use deep ultraviolet or extreme ultraviolet light sources to achieve. Taking the EUV lithography machine as an example, the wavelength is 13.5 nanometers, and the high-end chip manufacturing of 7 nanometers and below can be easily completed by using multiple exposures. It's just that currently only one company in the Netherlands, ASML, has mastered the mass production technology of EUV lithography machines, and it is also the goal of many countries competing for breakthroughs and development. Second, photoresist. Photoresist is also one of the key technologies in the semiconductor industry, a type of raw material, and is very closely related to photolithography machines. As a photosensitive chemical material, photoresist needs to be applied on the surface of the wafer to protect the substrate base, and it acts as a medium when receiving the exposure light source of the lithography machine to transfer the chip pattern to the wafer. Higher-end chips also require higher-end photoresist support. Japanese companies such as JSR, Fuji Chemical, Tokyo Oka, and Shinetsu Chemical have mastered more than 90% of the global photoresist market. For mid to high-end DUV, and EUV lithography glue has a great right to speak. If you want to successfully complete the manufacture of high-end chips, breaking through the core technology of photoresist is also a key. Third, EDA industrial software. The birth of a chip is inseparable from the design, just like the drawings need to be designed before building a high-rise building. The frame of the floor is planned according to the drawings, and the distribution of details in each space area also needs to be completed through precise design. In the same way, the functions, performance and manufacturing process of the chip are inseparable from the EDA industrial software. Use EDA to complete a series of tasks such as layout, wiring, and layout in the chip design process. Although EDA is a software program, its market share is highly concentrated, and it is monopolized by Synopsys, Kaideng Electronics, and Siemens. EDA is known as the mother of chips, which shows that its importance is very high. Although there is no need to invest too much in hardware facilities for research and development, EDA involves a large number of patented technologies. For latecomers, it is a threshold that must be bypassed and explored on more paths. Fourth, high-end medical equipment. The medical industry is one of the most complex disciplines for human beings. There are so many science and technologies involved in all aspects, which has created a huge high-end medical device market. Similar to the Da Vinci surgical robot, nuclear magnetic resonance instrument, high-speed centrifuge, cryo-electron microscope, high-performance liquid chromatography, etc., are all top-level high-end medical equipment, and they all have a lot in common: expensive, and the core market monopolized by foreign companies. For example, the Da Vinci surgical robot, which is a device manufactured by Intuitive Medical Company in the United States, costs about 25 million yuan, which can help surgeons complete precise operations, operate the robotic arm on the workbench, and can filter involuntary shaking, makes the operation very fine. Such a surgical robot is priceless and has been snapped up by major hospitals around the world, but it may not be available yet. However, because high-end medical devices require too much professional knowledge, they put forward great requirements on the R&D environment and talent pool of enterprises. So far, foreign companies have the main say. Fifth, industrial robots. The construction of a modern society is inseparable from industrial manufacturing. The basic manufacturing industry covers hundreds of industries such as automobiles, ships, airplanes, and mobile phones. How are the components needed for these industries manufactured? How are key components such as the frame and chassis of the car assembled? The answer is industrial robots. I believe that many people have seen such a scene. There are many robot arms busy around an automobile manufacturing production line. The movements are sensitive and delicate, and the complex parts assembly work is completed under the operation of the robot. This is an industrial robot, and it is also a high-end development. Mandatory facilities for manufacturing. At present, the market share plan of industrial robots is monopolized by Japanese companies, and Japan accounts for 7 of the world's top 10 industrial robot companies. In my opinion, among all kinds of top technologies, most of them are concentrated in semiconductors, which is the foundation of human industrial civilization and an important cornerstone of technological innovation. Lithography machines, photoresists, and EDA industrial software may be just the tip of the iceberg, and more semiconductor technologies still need to be explored. If China can master the core technology and break the monopoly of foreign suppliers, I believe that the industry market will usher in another situation. What do you think about this? Welcome to leave a message below to share. Thank you for your watching.